right now, man, I'm finna head out here. Finna shoot down here real quick, man. Gotta get a couple of things changed on the old Monte Carlo, man. I done had a couple of issues here and there, man. So I'm finna actually go ahead and get a couple of things done to it. Some stuff, I tell everybody, some stuff I can do and some stuff I can't do. But I always got people that'll help me do it. So, you know, my mechanic, well, I ain't gonna say my mechanic. I got like 3 different people that I take my car to. You know, if I can't do it, I know them 3 they'll come through. So, you know, right now, I'm finna go and drop it off at one of the guys. This guy here, he's damn good with transmissions, man. A lot of more stuff, man. Motherfucker beat the shit out of him. So what the problem I've been having, man, for one, I changed the fuel pump and got a little small leak. I fought that damn leak until it got on my nerve. And I thought I fixed it, so I'm riding down the road, jet vibing that thing, you know, shit, and that day get in that bitch and leaking again. Alright, cool. Fuck that fuel pump, we up new. Cool. Alright. Got a little transmission, little line leak. Fucking distributor doing all kind of fucking tricks and shit. Man, it's little tedious shit that'll just piss me off with a car. So I get to the point, man, you know, yes, I work on my own shit, but when shit get on my nerve, I send it to somebody else. So we finna take this bit to somebody else that ain't me. Let's get it. All right, guys, we done made it down here, champ, to drop my car with him. Gonna let him go and do everything he got to do. Shit, man, down here in good old Pitview. Well, we'll get it back and we'll see how everything go. Well, I'm at work, chilling on break. Trying to just wait, man. I can't lie, I'm so ready to get my damn car back, man. That's why I like doing shit my damn self. Like I said before, excuse me, I got over a handful of mechanics that I fuck with, so yeah, he'll have me right eventually. But I got what it do. Today is the day, man. Finally, today is the day. My mechanic hit me up last night. He said everything went smooth with the car, so we finna shoot down here. Down, man. Shit. I'm finna shoot down here real quick. We're finna pick up the car, and get it back, you know, get it back home and shit, man. We're gonna see what all he done to it, man. Like I say, a lot of stuff I do, and a lot of stuff I can't do. Well, I ain't gonna say I can't do it, but a lot of stuff I just, I don't like fucking with. If I don't feel comfortable doing something, I'm not doing it. Let's just cut the case. I'm not fucking doing it. So we finna shoot on down here real quick. And we finna go ahead and pick up the car, man, and get it on back to the goddamn hood. Let's get it. See y'all, they right. See y'all, they right here. This the reason why I come out here right here. Right here, y'all. Check it out. Running mud belter. Goddamn big champ himself, man. You say what, champ? That guy have been building my transmission God know how long. I can't lie. He been building transmission, some of everything for me. If I can't do it, I bring it straight down here. I ain't got time to fuck with it. Y'all need a transmission built. This is the guy you go to right here. The motherfucker having shifting so goddamn hard it'll break your damn neck.
So these grass ass I want to
Goddamn champ. I can't lie, she sound pretty smooth, man. And I still be able to run my out. That's what I want. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, man, we about to ease on down that road, man. Cause Big Champ got a long day. Cause he been working on this damn thing. I know he have. Go on, tell him, Champ. What you think about it, Champ?
You gonna do what it do if you ever finish up the paint job.
Check him out, y'all. Check him out.
Put the paint on it, Tommy.
All that. Like I said, y'all ever need a transmission built, this is the place y'all go to. Any kind of work, man. I'm telling you, that man here has been doing it for years, man. Every damn transmission he built, I tell out the mo if I tell out the transmission. I can tell you that.
All I'm talking about the shade tree, but this where all that come from.
All right, let's get them up out of here, y'all. All right, guys, decided to do me a little sound clip of the little small little baby cam. It's nothing major. I got to go back and charge my ad and everything up. It's pretty hot out here. Still got to do the headline in here, carpet, yada, yada, yada. But I want to get all this done first before I move to the next step. Anywho, sound clip. All right, key in. Still run like a sewing machine. Now when you put it in dry, as y'all can see, man, baby boy headed back to the house, man. I can't lie. I do not like that 373 gear, man. Well, y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, man. Your boy out of here, man. Yeah, tomorrow my birthday, so I'm gonna sit back and chill. That goddamn stall and that motherfucking goddamn new top side working good now. She tacked up good though. Well, I had to put a rim on her or something. Alright, let's get it. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash.
If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit $1 million lick. Ayy, I'm tryna get it for my kids. Told her pop that pussy for the money, not the clout. Ayy, I'm tryna see what you about. She's a very freaky girl, she know how to work the pole. Ayy, make them throw a large amount. Real drop niggas and they ready to cash out.